Hello, so this is the documentation for ClickBank membership. Um, it is located in admin.preparedpatriot.us. So you can check the documentation under uh, under CB app folder, and you will see the documentation here, the membership tutorials. And when you open the folder, you will see the documentation for CB membership. So basically the URL is given. This is membership, and we are using the database for cb.preparedpatriot.us hostname. So this is the database looks like. So cb prepared patriot underscore shipping. So this is came from the ClickBank INS that we inserted. So every time there is transactions in ClickBank, so those data it will insert, most especially in notification table. So this is the notification table. So we are using that database. So in the admin app, you will see the two different categories, the PWCP and the Pigman, which is the PIC. So when you open the PWCP, so you can see the reports, the difference between active and inactive members. Given there will be a last 7 days number of active and inactive members, the last 30 days, the average stick rate, average revenue, and average revenue in terms of account amount, rebill stats, as well as the graph for products, and also the summary of PWCP active members, then PWCP cancelled members. You can also generate reports from here, from this button. So every time there will be every time you want the updated reports, you need to click refresh data for it to have the accurate reports for these records. So when we open the code for this, actually we are using Laravel. So this is the membership accounting controller. So this is what you can get for the code. So what you can see in line 1594 until 1601, those are the inactive lists. The main SQL query to generate the inactive list members. So this inactive list members, you need to get the line items, which item number is like PWCP. So if you want to just count the numbers for only for PWCPs, you need to have this statement. And then the notifications table, you need to as well connect this to line items and billing. So for example, if you will check the notifications table, you will see the data, transaction type, these are the orders. And in line items, so for example, if you would like to get, actually in line items there are different type or products SKU that are listed here, but all it is to get only the PWCP. So line items were were item number like PWCP. So once you run this, you will get the list of data for PWCP members. So these are the SKU. So any PWCP will generate. So these are the list of SKU that the customer will be added to members. Okay, so not only this, because you need also to filter the type, or I mean the transaction type. So what we are added here is notification dot transaction type. So when you open the notifications transaction type, so this is where you can get. So there are also sale, tests, emails, chargeback. So yeah, chargeback, refund, chargeback, cancel, reveal. So if you want to get the active list, actually this is for inactive. So if you would like to get the inactive members, you need to filter where the transaction type is refund, chargeback, and cancel, reveal. If it is not inactive, so if it's active, so active where you are declaring the value from inactive list. So we're not in, so it's not included in inactive list. So basically for active members, it should not be refund, chargeback, cancel, reveal. It will not also test bill, test sale. So I guess most probably it will be only sale, reveal. So those are active list versus the inactive. Okay, so this is where we get the data. So let's you can check the videos after this. So this is the part 1 of the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.